Project 3, Two-Way Lights, by Bits for Bots.
For this project you will need the diode module, 2 black wires and 3 red wires.
Loosen the black thumb screw. Where there's a gap, insert your wire and then tighten to secure the wire. Do the same for all thumb screws on this diode module. Because diodes are polarized, the black thumb screws indicate the negative, which is the cathode, and the red wires and the red colored thumb screws indicate the positive, called the anode. You'll also need 2 AA battery holders from your kit for this project.
Connect the two AA battery holders in series by fitting them together.
Loosen the black thumb screw by rotating it. Connect 2 black wires under the thumb screw and tighten the thumb screw.
Gently pull the wires to make sure your connection is secure. If your wire becomes disconnected, try again.
And last, you'll need your two-way switch for this project.
Connect a wire to the black thumb screw. This can be called ground. Yes, just like the ground we walk on. Earth is ground and has 0 voltage. It's called ground because, in the early days of science and engineering, people literally connected their electrical circuits to the earth, the dirt under our feet. Here I use a red-colored wire, however, black can be used. Both wires are conductive. The color helps us understand the difference between positive, red, and negative, black.
I will connect the diode module to the two-way switch module using the red wires. There'll be one on the left, and I'll connect the other red wire to the right side of the double switch pole. Take a moment and check that your circuit is connected the same way it is connected in the video. So far, we have the battery connected to the diode and the diode to the switch. Our last connection should be between the two-way switch and the battery source.
Pause. Take a moment to look at the direction of your battery in your circuit. Are your batteries inserted correctly?
The shape on the battery, along with the positive and negative indicators, will help you insert the battery the correct way. Now that our circuit is connected, let's observe what happens when we complete the switch to one side versus what happens and what color LED lights when we throw our switch to the opposite side. Can you see how the green and the red LED are turned on and off and controlled by the switch? Good job. This completes project number 3.
Did you remember that a parallel circuit has 2 or more paths for current to flow?
Hooray!
Questions? Contact us online at www.bitsforbots.com.